What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Keepall 50 and Monogram Prism. This was my favorite piece from the 2019 Spring-Summer collection. I wasn't really into the clothes, but when I saw this bag, I knew I was going to get it. Inside the big orange box is our Keepall, which comes fully stuffed in its drawstring dust bag. Also included is a clear zip bag containing the receipt, padlock and keys, handle strap, and luggage tag. And here is the Keepall 50. It comes with the shoulder strap already attached. The monogram is right side up on the front and back. If we get up close, you can see how the monogram has been embossed on that vinyl. You can actually feel it sticking up. If we move up to the opening, we have the white plastic double zipper. If we open that up, you can see all of the stuffing inside. On the inside of the opening is a tag that reads Made in USA of imported materials. And on the other side is the Louis Vuitton Paris tag. It's just under a foot tall, and because it's a 50, is 50 centimeters wide, or about 20 inches. If we look up close at the strap, we can see that it's all made of the same iridescent polyvinyl. There's no leather on here. Instead of the normal brass or silver hardware, we have this hard white plastic clasp. And the chain is clear plastic, almost like a lucite material. Included with every new Keepall is the luggage tag with info card and strap for the top handles. And the padlock is the standard palladium padlock, but wrapped in a strip of white leather, which matches back to the zipper. Also included were a thank you card and the product info sticker. It's item number M53271. This bag was ordered from the Beverly Center location back in March. It retailed for $38.50. With tax, the total came to $4,081. I was also able to pick up a few other pieces from the collection. On the left side is the clay and blue empreinte leather. Its number is M67475. On the right is the clay and monogram canvas. It is M44487. The blue one retails for $830 and the monogram canvas is $495. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. Let me know what you think about this collection in the comments. Check out my other luxury unboxings and subscribe for new videos all week.